Hello and welcome to the ICC Pro troubleshooting guide. You ordered an ICC Pro and it was delivered to you, and now the ICC Pro doesn't want to turn on and it doesn't want to charge. This is not a big problem, it's only a deeply discharged battery caused by a very long storage time. We will show you now how to solve this problem fast and easy without even disassembling the device. So you see one button on the ICC Pro. It doesn't work at the moment, so now you press the button down and you get in the USB-C charging cable. Now you have to wait about 4 to 5 minutes. If you got an USB amp meter, you will see that charging current at the moment is about 7 to 10 milliamps, and after pushing this button while the USB cable is in, about 4 to 5 minutes, the charging current will go up to 90 to 100 milliamps, and then you can release the button. So if you don't want to press the button and waiting while that, you can just place a heavy thing onto the button, or you can lay down the ICC Pro on the display side and sit down some heavy stuff, not too heavy but a little heavy, so that the button just pushes, get it on the ICC Pro front or back side, and you can leave the room and just wait about 4 to 5 minutes, and after that the device will just work normally. You can use, for example, a PCB holder for that. So I will show you now. You can take this beautiful Kianli PCB holder if you want. It's no problem. You can put it down to the ICC Pro, or you can switch the ICC Pro to the other side. We will speed up the video now. So 5 minutes have been gone now. Charging current jumps up to 95 milliamps, and you can release the button and the device will just work normally. So you see the charging splash screen. It is about 10 seconds, then it will shut down, but it charges anyway. Okay, here we have the version 1.0.5Q. So if you want to upgrade to 1.05P, you don't have to push the button for about 4 to 5 minutes after deeply discharging, and it always charges on 1.0.5P. But if you have 1.0.5Q, in cases of deeply discharged device, you just have to push the button about 4 to 5 minutes while the USB cable is put it in, and then the device just works normally. So you don't have to disassemble anything. I wish you a lot of fun with the ICC Pro. Goodbye.